I want to show you how to use Perusall. Here on the side menu, you'll see the listing of the different modules, and you'll see Perusall. So you'll click on Perusall. That'll show you what readings are available to you within there. You'll click on the first one, which is Building Evidence, Dedicated Education, and it'll take you inside the program. You will see that there's two people. There's Jerry Berryman and myself that are logged in right now that are able to read on this. You'll also see that we have a comments block over here on the side. What I can do is, what you're supposed to do is do 4 annotations. So what you do is highlight something. And what this does is makes this a social interactive tool. As you read, other students will be able to see what you're reading and talk about it. So that if you're reading something and you have a question about building evidence, and you're saying, well, what do you mean by building evidence? You can go in here and you can create a question. What do you mean? And someone else can answer that question. Or if you're in here and you see something that you really want to find out partnership success and you want to make a comment on it, you could elaborate what you feel about that success. Or if there's something down here that you see that you really want to discuss, or you want to have somebody else talk to you with, or you have a question, you just simply highlight it. And these are called annotations as you do it. And it'll show up over the side. You will see, though, as you go through here, I'll click on this one here, you have a scoring system, 1 through 3, or 0 through 3. If you make a very detailed comment, you'll get the full 3 points. If somebody posts a question and you say, yeah, I agree, that's really good, you'll get 0 points. So it's really important that you write a lot and that you write substantively, reflectively. The software was written by Harvard University. And there's an algorithm that they use as far as what is the quality of your writing as you go on there. And so the computer goes in there and tells you, gives you a grading on it as far as what's a good comment and what's a bad comment. And you'll see this automatically as you go through there. So you can use this as a means to see how well you've written. Here's all the different conversations that are going on. If you want to make a comment, you want to star it to highlight it, you can do it there. If you want to see a thumbnail of all the different pages, you can click here. If you want to see the table of contents, and in this particular instance with this document, we don't have that. Or if you want to search for a particular term, or if you want to have notifications, or you want to take your own notes, you can put it down the side. It's a great way for people to read online. Now, I will tell you that your instructor is able to see what you're writing as you submit. So if you haven't been reading, that'll show up too. They'll realize that. Okay? This should give you a good overview on how to use the tool, and I wish you luck. Thank you.